In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variants to a product in Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. If you're new to Printful, it's a fantastic platform that allows you to create and sell custom products through print-on-demand services. One of the great features of Printful is the ability to add variants to your products, such as different sizes or colors. This way, you can reach a wider audience by offering more choices. To start, you want to make sure you're logged into your Printful account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar of the dashboard. You'll see a section labeled My Products. Click on that. This will take you to a page where all your existing products are listed. Now browse through your products and find the one you want to modify. Clicking Edit on that product will take you into the product editor where you can make all sorts of changes. As you're in the product editor, keep an eye out for an option that says Add Variants. This is where the magic happens. It's usually right in front of you, so you won't have to search too much. When you click on that, it'll allow you to select additional options such as sizes or colors. This is your opportunity to really diversify your product. For instance, if you have a t-shirt that you're currently offering in one color, you might want to add a few more color options to attract a larger group of potential buyers. Once you've selected the variants you'd like to add, like, say, small, medium, and large sizes, or a variety of colors, you might get a prompt from Printful asking you to choose mockups. If that pops up, go ahead and click on Choose Mockups. This will help showcase your new variants in a visually appealing way, making it easier for your customers to picture themselves with your products. Now, after you've selected your mockups, it's time to review everything. Take a moment to go over the variants and their pricing. Ensure that each variant is priced appropriately according to your profit goals. This is important because you want to ensure you're not just offering variety, but also paying attention to how these changes might affect your bottom line. Remember, different colors or sizes may have different base prices, so make sure you're aware of that as you make each selection. Once you're satisfied with all the choices you've made and you feel like everything looks great, you'll want to make sure to finalize your changes. To do this, simply click on the Submit to Store button. This action will update the product in your store to reflect the new variants you've added. Just like that, your product is now equipped with more options for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully added variants to a product in Printful. Now your store has a wider variety of options for your customers, making it more attractive and boosting your chances of sales. Remember, having a range of sizes, colors, or styles can make a big difference in how well your products perform. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to periodically revisit your products. As trends change, you might find there are new variants you may wish to add, or perhaps some options that just aren't doing as well. Keeping your inventory fresh can help keep your store relevant and exciting. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop a comment below. And like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. Happy selling on Printful!